Hey guys, me Tess Blaine, I'm back again. And to show my appreciation to everyone that has supported my channel, my videos, using my referral codes to buy new Teslas, using the links below my videos to purchase those accessories, the different things that you guys have used to make your car better or to get it to however it is that you wanted to get it to. I am wanting to give away a free Tesla wall charger. I have this Tesla wall charger right here. Um, I received it for free as part of an incentive from Tesla. They sent me this wall charger. Well, ever since I've had it, it's been sitting in my workshop and I have not used it because I have a free charger from my electric power company that they came out and installed at my house. So I really have no use for it. So what I want to do is I want to give it away. I want to hopefully give it to somebody that can use it, somebody that would like it and be appreciative of it. So with that, these are the rules that I'm going to use to give away this Tesla wall charger. I will be randomly picking a comment to choose whoever the winner is going to be for this Tesla wall charger. Only my videos from May 4th, 2025, all the way up to August 17th, 2025. Any videos that I post in between that time frame is eligible. Those are the videos that I'm going to pick the random comment from. My most newest videos. These are the videos since I bought my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper. Those are those videos that ever since the day that I picked it up to the ending of the drawing. The giveaway will end on August 17th, 2025 at exactly midnight Central Time. The more you comment, the more you like, the more you share, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel mostly of all, you will have a chance to win. So like I said, the more you get out there and you start watching my videos and you comment on them, the more comments that you put on my channels, and please be respectful when you're putting the comments out there, but the more comments you put out there, the more chances you have to winning. I will be posting a video on August 18th, 2025 that will show who the winner is. At that time, I'm going to need the winner to reach out to me and give me their mailing address so I can make sure I'm sending it to the right person. Again, thank you so much for the support on my channel, the views, the referrals, the clicking the links and buying things. I get kickback from all those. I really appreciate all of it. That's the reason why I take the time to do these videos. One, to show you what it's like to have these items before you go and purchase it, because that's what I do. Is I sit there and I do reviews on things before I make a purchase to make sure it is exactly what it is I'm looking for. So that's kind of why I do these videos, to show you guys what these items are like in case it is something that you're looking for. So with that, please get out there right now, start commenting on these videos, including this one and any of the ones I have coming all the way up to August 17th, 2025. And remember, it begins on May 4th, 2025. That was my first video I put out there. Please start liking, commenting, and if you haven't done so, please make sure you subscribe, because if you subscribe, then you're going to get that notification on August 18th of whoever the winner is. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel as well. All right, guys, get out there, start doing this. And once again, I really appreciate all the love and the comments and everything you guys have done for me over the last few years. I really appreciate it. All right, thanks, guys. Check you later. Bye.